Officials from Pakistan and Afghanistan announced on Saturday that the Torkham border crossing in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has been reopened for Afghan refugees returning to their country. The move comes after a 2-week suspension of repatriation caused by border clashes earlier this month. Authorities in Khyber, along with officials from the Pakistani embassy in Kabul and Afghanistan's Nangarhar province, confirmed that the border is now operational for the return of Afghan families. Repatriation had been halted since 11th October following a series of skirmishes between border forces that continued for several days before a ceasefire was formalized in Doha on 19th October. Pakistan subsequently sealed all crossings with Afghanistan, disrupting both refugee movement and trade. Thousands of Afghan refugees had been stranded near the border, living in difficult conditions without access to food, water, or shelter. Many of them had been expelled from various parts of Pakistan, particularly Punjab, as part of the government's ongoing deportation drive. The closure of the border also led to the suspension of trade between the two countries, causing shortages and price hikes of essential goods including vegetables. Although both sides agreed on Friday to extend the ceasefire, Pakistan's Foreign Office said that trade would remain suspended until the security situation improved. Officials said all relevant border staff had been instructed to resume duties on Saturday morning, though it remains unclear whether Pakistanis stranded in Afghanistan would be allowed to cross back. The Pakistani government has reiterated its stance of not granting any further extensions to Afghan refugees, stating that all refugee camps will eventually be closed. As of mid-October, more than 1.47 million Afghan nationals had been repatriated. Authorities have also warned that harboring undocumented Afghan residents would be treated as a criminal offense.